Okay, as we begin this section on energy, we must talk about a molecule called ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate. So this is what ATP looks like. ATP, or adenosine triphosphate, is our energy currency. So whatever you're doing right now, whether or not you're just sitting up, clicking through a PowerPoint, playing with your phone, trying to select a song to listen to, all of those actions require energy, and the energy that you're using is ATP. Now, the molecule ATP itself is made of three basic parts. There's adenine, ribose, and then three phosphate groups. Where the energy is stored in this molecule is in the bond between the second and the third phosphate group. Now, when you break that bond, energy is released for us to use to live. And when that bond is broken, the molecule is now called ADP, or adenosine diphosphate. So ADP is still adenine, ribose, and now two phosphate groups. So this molecule does not have as much energy. The energy has been released. So we're constantly going through a process of adding a phosphate group to store energy in the form of ATP, and removing a phosphate group to release the energy in ATP.